1517 Zulu. Weather. Wind 180 at 5 knots. Visibility.
Okay, this is your limit. Okay, if it gets any more than this, you're going to land, all right?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Temperature 1.
Okay, I'm going to leave my headset in here plugged in. I'll tie it in with the seatbelts, okay?
Okay.
Remember, if you've got any problems, you can speak on the radio. I'll have the handheld, okay?
Okay.
If you're getting congested with traffic, don't forget to say, you don't have to make this on every call, but just say solo student pilot. People know, especially on your first call, okay? And if it gets congested, if the pattern gets all messed up, just fly out of the pattern, come back in.
You got it.
You all right?
Okay.
You'll do good.
Yeah, really good. You on the flip side? Yeah, take a picture. Okay, so the wind got out to 6.
Congratulations, bud.
The wind got out to 6.
Yeah, it did.
And, okay, when they came in, I swear I thought I heard them say 1-6. That's why I wanted to get off at Bravo. And they said, no, we're going to Bravo for an auto. I'm like, okay, let's go to Alpha.
No worries. No worries.
Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below
Okay, you can roll up.
1,000 feet. Temperature 1
latch.
Celsius. 2.7 Celsius. Altimeter 3014 inches of mercury.
Could wind up real quick. I think it was generally starting to go up. So
541 Zulu weather. Wind 170 at 6 knots.
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, what do you want to do?
All right. Let's see if you can pick up with 200 pounds back on this side, and we'll just do a normal pattern.
Sure. More like south, green, drink, feel. Alright, forget. That feels so much different. Clear right. Clear left. Tower's good.
Still don't like this helicopter?
Actually, no, I kind of like it.
Well, this helicopter's going to be special for you now.
Yeah, totally. Bender Tower, helicopter A3 Hotel is going to be taxiing onto 16 for departure, right close traffic, 5 Bravo 6, Bravo 5, Bend area.
Bender traffic, helicopter 7529 Zulu, in a right downwind for 16, Bend.
Bender Tower, helicopter A3 Hotel is taking off runway 16 for right close traffic, Bend area.
So we get to take a copy once you're a safe
Yeah,
height.
saw that.
Identify it still.
Identify, yeah. He's doing it in my head now.
Bender traffic, helicopter 7529 Zulu, turning final 16, simulated into now, Bend.
Just climbing up. Keep pulling that power. Get all the way up
Okay.
to 300. When you're in that kind of middle area between 300 feet and 100 feet, you haven't got many options. So
Right.
try and get up through that quite quickly.
Okay.
You don't really have many options at 300 feet either, but
Alright.
it's better than.
More like south, green, still perfect, good. Bender traffic, helicopter A3 Hotel is on the right now, for 16, Bend area. Well, what'd you think?
So we haven't got much time left, but I'm gonna demo. I've already demoed it running with you, right? So I want to demo a steep approach with you.
Okay, sure.
So set us up for Alpha Taxiway.
Okay.
And we'll get a normal setup of 300 feet, 60 knots. And then what we'll do is we'll start bringing the airspeed back to about 40 or 50. And once it starts looking steeper than normal, that would be the start of our steep approach.
Okay.
For a private, I think it should be no steeper than like 15 degrees.
Right.
If you can eyeball what 15 degrees that is, I'm not sure I can. Start losing a little bit of altitude on a base turn, come down.
when you want the controls.
Okay, I'll take them now.
Okay, here we go.
Controls. Lights out, top of the green, 3 in the green, feels good. Bend traffic helicopter A3 Hotel, turning right base to final. 16 will be side 70 Alpha, taxiway. Bend. Let's get down. Did you pull copy? Full copy?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright, so we were a little bit high on the base to final turn, so we're going to get down. It's already looking a little bit steep, but what I'll do is I'll hold about 300 feet here. And our point that we're aiming for is the run-up area, right?
Right downwind.
Okay.
So already this is kind of looking a little bit steep, do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh yeah.
So we're going to try.
One of mine approaches.
So we're going to hold something like this, okay? What do we want to watch out for, do you think, on a steep approach?
So it's power.
Definitely, yeah. We'll try not to get any steeper than this. So it's just like a normal approach in that you're using the collective and cyclic in the same way. It's just going to be a little bit steeper, and we want to be really careful once we get below 30 knots to make sure our descent rate is at 300 feet or less.
Okay.
So, approaching 30 knots, checking descent. This is a good time to think about go-arounds, okay?
Definitely.
As you're losing 30 knots, you're going to be losing performance, you're going to really be pulling in the power to go around, so this will be the time to make the decision. Okay. I think we're still looking okay. This is looking pretty steep. Giving an eye on that descent rate, 250.
Okay.
Eye on the windsock, make sure we're into the wind.
Yeah.
Keep walking it down.
You're like zero, almost.
Yeah, and if you feel like, you're approaching your manifold pressure limits, start bringing the airspeed in, get that road more efficient.
Okay.
We tend to do these to the ground, so we'll make the approach all the way down to the ground.
Okay.
So descent rate, 200 feet per minute, 20 inches of manifold pressure, start pulling a little bit more in, and then we'll get ground effect.
Yeah, okay.
So we'll just gently slow this down. We'll come all the way down to the ground, eyes outside.
Nice.
Okay. Low collective all the way down. Alright, your controls.
My controls.
So, let's think about this with time. Let's do an air taxi quick stop to the far end.
Okay. So from Alpha. So Alpha, North Alpha to South Alpha.
On Alpha from north to south.
Okay.
From north to south.
Okay. One like that, top to green, 3 in green. RV. Right turn. Go.
Visibility more than 10. 4 inches of mercury. Bend Municipal Airport.
Good to have her here.
Observation 1549er Zulu. Weather. Wind 150 at 6 knots.
Dang it.
But make sure to do a pedal turn so you really can see.
Okay.
Clear your tail, do a pedal turn,
Okay.
look both ways.
Okay.
Alright.
Bend Air Traffic Helicopter A3 Hotel doing an air taxi from North Alpha to South Alpha. Bend area.
We'll do a quick stop by the bend sign, come down over the bend sign to a normal hover, and do a hover order, and then we'll put it away.
Okay. So we can't do any hit autos.
That's a good point. I guess even hover orders would count, yeah. Good catch.
Okay.
So in that case, we'll just do a quick stop. I'll initiate the quick stop by saying ready and quick stop, okay?
Sure, yeah.
Get a little bit more airspeed in, down to decay off a little bit, that's it. Ready and quick stop. Low collective more, got a little level us over. Start pulling the power in so we don't settle. Pull a little bit more power in, control that descent rate a little bit more. Alright, then you put us back next to 40 kilo.
Okay.
Come down a little bit lower before you make the pedal turn. Come into a normal hover. No. Why do you think I want you to come down a little bit more before you put a pedal turn in?
LTE?
Partly, yeah, because if you get into the habit of doing that, you'll be pulling a lot more power than usual. You won't have much pedal left if you need to stop a right turn. So always come down to hover, then turn.
Okay.
Unless you're in forward motion and you can do a air taxi turn.
Alright.
In which case you're less likely to get into LTE anyway because of the airspeed.
Alright. Your side clear?
Yep.